Hello, Eric guys. Welcome to our channel. Today we will have a new colleague. Ali, yeah.
Yes.
Welcome to Ali to our channel.
Yes, hi friend. Yeah, I'm your new friend. Remember me, Ali? Yes.
So okay, Ali, today we will show into something new about our DTF printing solution. And you can see the first one, the A3 roll DTF printer, right?
Yes.
So did you find something new and any update past the last version of the machine?
Okay, let me see. It kind of look like A301, but they have a lot of different. First, I can see it's no longer the flat pan, right?
Yes, that's the first one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it's really different. And let me check another one.
Okay.
Okay,
so,
can I open the
Yeah.
lid? Yes, let's see.
So the camera can.
Yes. Oh, wait, they have a lot of hole here. I can see that. Guys, can you see that? A lot of hole here. It's no longer the hold the PET film. Now it's just the hole. It's attract the PET film.
So it's a vacuum inside this plate.
Yeah, it's kind of vacuum. Yeah, I can see that. And which kind of save a lot of PET film space, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So this is the second thing. That we have to be landing the different sides of film. That's without any the roller on the top side. So that we can print the max size by just the film size, right?
Yes. That is really cool. You can use just the less A3 size. You can print.
And also A3 plus is possible. Okay. So you feel here?
Wait, yeah, it's warm. It look like
A little hot, right?
yes.
Okay.
A little hot.
Here have a control that we can adjust the
The temperature you can adjust like here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really cool. Can you see? Guys, can you see? Yes. Yeah, I can adjust the temperature here. It's really cool.
Okay, so something more?
Let me check. Maybe let me see another way. Okay, I'm going to. Oh wait, I found another different. It's about the paper roll in and back, right? Yeah, because let me see. Let me push the button. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Can I push?
Yeah.
Okay, can I push the button? Oh wait.
Okay.
It's
So
cool. Oh my gosh, you can just push the button and then you kind of can return the paper or maybe you can just fill in. Yeah.
Yes, so you can easy to control the film.
Yeah, I just obsessed with this one. Yeah, let me check it again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just mess it kind of like that.
So that's all?
No. They have one more different. Must be here. The bag. Yeah, the bag. They have
Okay,
two bottle. I can see that.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. The two bottle. One bottle is waste in bottle. Another one is moisturizing bottle. Yeah,
Yes.
it's really cool. And I guess I wonder if I don't have enough moisturizer, what it will happen?
That's one where more easy to maintenance the print head after finish print a job. Just one button, that's be finished the work.
So you mean when there's not enough moisture anymore, it will be and will let us know that, right?
Yeah, the first version is mostly working by hands with the syringe to soak in the bottle. That's the older version. Right now we just click one button. That's will be finished.
Oh.
So that be difference.
A difference.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you also can
I can
hear the waste ink tank.
Waste ink tank.
Yes, even the ink is running some more.
Yeah.
You be hear the the noise.
The noise again.
Yeah, from the
Okay.
bottle. So
yeah, now I got it.
that means you need to clean the waste bottle in hand. So yeah.
Okay, now I got it. So that's all the different.
Yes. Also, this is the new.
No, wait. But why this is here? This one is kind of like temperature and also some showing the moisture like that.
Yeah, the last version is should be installed with this printer also. Maybe the place here.
Oh, so this one will be here, right?
Here?
In the future version. Oh, now I know it. So friends, do you know that? Yeah, will be here.
Yes, this device will help us to setting the ink limit and also to setting the temperature for the heaters. That will be a little more to help with running this printer to print the job.
Okay.
Yes.
That's really cool. It's just with this one, so your printer, no matter your printer where it is, always kind of like you can see the temperature around there.
Yes, sure.
Now I got it.
Yeah.
That's
so
really cool.
this the version is should be here. Yeah.
So I think now we have the new version now. So do we have a new vision about other stuff?
Yes.
Yes, so maybe we look forward to it. Yeah.
Okay.
Next video we'll talk about that.
Yeah. Also, okay.
Yes. Next video we're going to talk about what kind of stuff we'll talk about. The shaker machine.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So friends, next video we're going to talk about new version of shaking machine. Yes, that will be cool. So
we can do. Do you want to see how about this machine get to print?
Of course, sure. So let's
Okay.
do it. Let's see. Check it.
Okay, easy. So get print.
Okay. Now we get the print.
Okay. Setting the software get print and the confirm go list.
Yeah.
It's to be take 2 or 3 seconds. That's
yeah. I can see that. It's begin to. Now it's begin to working now. Yeah. Almost. So can I just open it and to see how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see what it will be.
The detail is ready to transfer to the machine. Okay, you can see that's
now I can
the
see.
printer.
Oh, now I can feel the printer is working now. Yeah, I can feel like the printer is slowly going to push it. Yeah, it's working. Let's see.
Yeah, you can see the color first, then
Yeah.
white.
Okay, now yeah, I can see the logo is kind of a black logo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really wavy.
So did you feel some hot?
Yeah, I also can feel some hot. What's that?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
that
oven.
one. That is oven. Okay. So, but it's really different from the other oven I saw.
So yes.
It's kind of like, yeah, I can feel. It kind of like a little bit hot. Can I touch it?
No.
No. Okay.
Be careful, you
Okay.
see.
Catch on hot. Yeah. So I couldn't touch it. So, but it kind of like we open like this because I can see the hand is here. So we open like this or we open like this.
First one you can easy to open here, right?
Yes. Oh yes. Cool. It's just not like the other oven. I know the other one I
so
saw
get
it
a
right
little-
this way. Yeah.
Oh.
Out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it's really different. And also I know it look kind of like matched together, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the colors
The
and
printer,
the design.
the oven, it matched together. It's really cool. Yeah, I can see that. I also have here is a control place, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's already set the temperature like 115 degree now.
Yeah, so this for the normal setting for this oven that we taste the best, the A3 plus. So you can see some shade already here, showing here. So this size is fully around the footprint around A3 plus size.
Oh yeah, that is A3. Oh.
It's a little more bigger, right?
Yes. Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do that.
The older version or something one you get from other that be smaller, and some already cannot dry the fully with the oven. So that's why this one come with our company. So you can see we can show you something dry already with this. You can see all these colors. Can you give me the camera clear? So you can see even with shocking the powder and this already dry. You can see it's very smooth.
Yeah, it's very smoothie.
Okay, right? So this one also is new, but it's complete with almost the shade printing machine with DTF. So it's also the new, but already hot selling for the market. This one already.
Yes, it's hot selling.
Yeah.
Right.
So following all of this, do you want to get a shirt?
Yes, I want to get a custom shirt. Yeah. So I will, can I pick a logo or pattern? Can I pick by myself? Okay, I'm going to pick one. So friends, what do you want me to pick? So maybe I found can I pick this one?
Of course.
Yeah, this one, friends. I'm going to pick this one. It look more Chinese. Yeah. So because I'm Chinese, so I'm look more Chinese.
Okay, so here already have a cut one, the same one.
Okay, yeah, cool.
And we already ready a shirt. That's a smaller size for charging. Okay. So we have two logo. This for back side, and this one smaller for front. Just looking for what we do first. And okay.
Oh, now it's a back side now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So first, what we are going to do, kind of a little bit creasing. Yeah, it's no event.
Yeah. So
you're going to eyeliner it. Yeah, you're going to eyeliner it.
Yes.
Yeah, that is.
And that we can.
Use the big pattern. Yeah. Put on the back.
Is it enough?
I guess yes. Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So.
Can't wait. Yeah, let's see what we're going to be.
Yes, the
165 degree.
Take 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Okay.
Can't wait, friends. Okay, let's see what we're going to happen now. Yeah, I can hear the beep.
We finished the print.
Woo!
Okay. So this type of film that's be called the peeling out this film. So we should be waiting some minutes. Even with it
going to wait some 4 minutes. Yeah.
Yes. So
it's
now.
called peel.
And
the back.
Yes. Now we do the front side.
Now it's front side now. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Yes, it's very cool.
You think this place okay?
I guess maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that, right?
Yeah.
So I can adjust by myself. Just everywhere I want.
So it's for DIY job anywhere that you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's really cool.
Same.
Yeah. And wait, I can't wait for the result.
Okay.
Let's do it.
It's finished
now,
done. It's shirt.
Done.
Just change it. With some more minutes.
I'm going to go to the air condition to get colder.
So you can try just going liquid.
Now I can just, it's okay now. Yeah, it's already cool. Can I peel it now?
Yes, so
I'm going to peel it now soon. Yeah. So friend, if I peel, I don't know. I'm not sure if we could do it. So let's see, friend. I don't know if I can peel it in the right way. So try my best, okay? Try my best. So I'm worried about maybe I didn't get. Let's see. Ooh, yeah.
So easy?
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy now. I can see that. Woo!
The better we showing here for the table.
Yes, let's see. Hoi! It kind of hurt. Yeah, it's done? No, that's it?
No.
Okay. Let's see. The another side. Okay. Going to pick. Let's do it.
So easy?
Yes, it's so easy. So that's it, right?
Yeah.
Done. So here is the front. Here is the back. Is it cool? Friends, let me know, okay?
Yes,
Yeah,
for
it's
children.
really cool.
Not for you, for
I
me.
know, for children, but I picked the pattern, right, guys?
Yes, if you are also interested for this t-shirt, maybe write to me in your list the order we can put inside the shirt, okay?
Yes. So now time's over now. So the videos we done now.
But then remember, we have something to update to show our guys
we just said
next
video. We just said we were going to show them about shaking machine.
I think it's too much something new, like the A4 size roll DTF machine and the auto powder shaking machine.
We have a lot of new stuff coming out.
And
so
the transfer paper for the DTF.
Oh, I wish I can.
Yeah.
I want to see that one too. Yeah.
But right now we can something to show some samples. Okay.
Oh.
You right?
Is this one?
Yeah.
It look really different. It look really like paper. Hey, can you see it?
Yes,
see?
this type
It
of
look like
paper,
paper.
already finished the print, and this one the film. So you can see.
Yeah, it's really different.
Yeah.
It's super different. It's really big different. Come on, one is PET film, one is paper.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that is a really new change.
Next the video we will show you some more detail and how to working with this type transfer paper for the DTF.
Yes, next video.
Yeah, will you come here?
Yes, I will come here.
That's good.
Yeah.
So that's cool. So next the video we will show you something more. If you have anything interested in for the DTF, the printing solution, just write to us, okay? To fullcolor.com and also our Alibaba and main channel set.
Yes, come to Alibaba Farming. I also have Alibaba live stream. Sure, come on. Yeah, you can see me when I introduce you guys our new product, everything you need. Definitely come to Alibaba to see me.
Okay, so our guys, see you.
Bye. My name is
Bye-bye.
Ari. Remember, bye bye.